currently standing right outside section 19 of Chatuchak Weekend Market. The next time after you have finished shopping the market or if you are feeling too hot to continue walking, you will be happy to know that there's a new air-conditioned mall just beside the weekend market, and this is called Mixt Chatuchak, and they are open daily from 10 AM to 10 PM. So let me show you how to get into the new shopping mall. After you are done shopping at Chatuchak Weekend Market, you don't want to eat at the market because it's so hot, do check out the Mixt Chatuchak court at level 3. What you have to do is just to change your money to this card, and you can make purchases at the food court. So I just got myself some moving, and it's like piping hot. Wow. As you can see, the mall is not fully open yet, so you got to give it some time before it is fully open. But this is a good place to escape after your shopping at Chatuchak Weekend Market.